Hello there, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fit and fine. Thank you so much. A great opportunity to say something about Rahma Academy. My name is Robiul and I'm from Mirzapur in Tangail district. I'm a student of Rahma Academy. Rahma Academy is a institute of learning spoken English institute. This is located at Shofipur in Gazipur district. This institute started after 6 months ago and this new institute. And this institute is a very good institute to learning spoken English. And this institute give all student to how can he build your strong character, how can he speaking English, how can he learn speaking English. And this institute give us all student how can easily make his English spoken English skills. And this institute has two teachers, and these two teachers are good teachers, very good teachers, and these two teachers are very talented. And these two teachers teaching skills is too much good, and they are very mankind people. And these two teachers behavior with all students is like friendly. If you need to learning speaking English, you need to talk speaking English in clearly properly. You come here in this institute. Thank you so much.